sir?
Yes.
Test. Preparing
Don't tell him
for
that.
Now, when I say lay him back, does he got enough room to go all the way back?
practice Resogun on Yanuar bis. We want to know the effect
All right, now we're going to need complete silence,
gun.
okay?
Okay.
And your arm should be underneath his armpit so that you can take him back, okay? Correctly, okay? Now, we're going to activate the camera. Would you state your name for the camera, please?
My name is Januar and I'm doing this for Visa Indonesia. Thank you very much. Please do pray for me.
And we'll be taking the alligator clips from the Phaser Enforcer, law enforcement grade weapon.
Okay, stop.
Stop! You messed up.
The full force, he took it for a full 5 seconds.
Not fair.
I
Shit. I
Okay.
can count when I'm
Now, a quick interview.
That's me.
You just relax a minute. Just tell us, how did that feel?
I can't tie anymore. Hurts so much.
Just relax your body and lay there for a moment. You'll be just fine. Do you think that this will be an effective weapon for the Indonesian police?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you feel that it's safe and effective, I guess?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And out.